He looks from far.
Hey everyone, it's Big C. It is April 23rd, 4:55. We're going to go ahead and do the breaks from last night that ended. Probably won't post. We might post them later tonight. Still waiting on some people. But I got some time, so I'm going to go ahead and film them. And kind of repeat some of the things I've said in my other videos here lately. Just to make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you guys get, they'll send you an email every time I upload a video. Because on eBay they're cracking down on the box breaks again, and our titles, we're not allowed to put box breaks on them anymore. We got to do team grab bag. So anything that has that, it automatically kicks it out. And just to let everybody know, I am working on the website still. So it's just a tedious process to get it up and going. But we are still working on that and hope to have that up soon. And again, overall it's going to be cheaper on the website once it is up and at it. So, but I will let everybody know when that is up. And again, just have everybody, just make sure you subscribe to it. You'll just get emails letting you know when a video is uploaded. That way I don't have to send out the links. If you still want the links and all that, that's fine. It's just that eBay cracks down on the links. They don't like you sending all that stuff that don't have to do with eBay on it. They don't like that kind of stuff. So they won't let you list it in the listing, which will probably crack on that because I think I have YouTube on my listing. So just a heads up for everybody on that. And here we go with the Elite Extra Edition. So good luck to everybody. Hopefully we get another hot box. I think I've got more hot boxes than I have regular boxes. Joe Panic, San Francisco, 24 out of 200. So Dustin Florio. Los Angeles. Tyler Grimes, shortstop for the Twins, and that would go to Walnut. And then Jeremy Hellickson. So there's our first autograph. Elliott Soto, Austin Wood, Cole Green. Another autograph, could it be? Jake Sisko, 735 for Cleveland. And that would be for Tribe fans. We get that one, so back-to-back autographs. Let's see, could it be another hot box? And another autograph, Mike Walker for Milwaukee, 539, and the Brewers are Jay Julius, and then Ben Revere. So 3 out of 4 so far autographs. Let's see, New York, Adam Morgan, Willett, another green one, 10 of 10 autograph, Madison Bohr for the Twins, which would be Walnut. So that is a 10 to 10 green version. So my guess is this is another hot box. And I don't know how many hot boxes are supposed to be in a case, but it seems like this will be the 4th one if it is really a hot box. So we shall see. Rookie Davis, Kendrick Perkins. I've never seen one of these before. Back to the Future, Jose Vencio for Boston out of 720. So that's Jay Julius. So I've never seen one of those kinds before. So that is the 5th autograph. So I think it calls for 6 in a case or in a box. Got a blue version coming up. Is it on? Nope. 100 out of 100. John Hicks for Seattle. And the Mariners would be Corey 7734. Jared Cole, Jay Bruce. That'd be something that this actually wasn't a hot box. I just had all those autographs the first half of the box. And then Ryan Tasco for Washington, 864. And Washington is Jay Julius. So that is our 6th autograph. So I would think that we're going to get a few more. And base. So then another autograph. Milwaukee again. Taylor Jungman. 465, and the Brewers are Jay Julius. Let's see, base, and base. So I think that was the 7th autograph. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Base, an autograph of Josh Osage, 664 for San Francisco. That would be Sweet Sarah. So that is 8 autographs. Base, another autograph. Atlanta, Brandon Drury. 770 for Atlanta. And that would be Max Chipper. We get that one. Josh Hamilton. Base, and base. So we should have 1 or 2 more autographs, I believe, out of these last 3. Base, Jackie Bradley Jr. And the last 2. Base, and then the last pack should be an autograph. How many do we have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9, so this should be Daniel Norris. And it is another Milwaukee autograph, Nick Ramirez for the Brewers, and that's Jay Julius. So there you have it, 10 autographs again. So I believe that's the 4th box out of 6 or 7 that I've done of this product that's been 10 autographs or more. So again, thanks a lot, guys. Keep checking them out. Big C 2020-14, and I'll let everybody know when the website is up. So thanks a lot, guys. See ya.